welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Now if you're new here and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I am Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare. I make haul videos and I do vlogging sometimes. Now if you enjoy watching this video, also this face, then please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now if you're new, then you might not know what's going on, so I am doing a series for 7 long days on my top 3 favorite skincare products from each skincare category, wherein I am going to upload videos every single day till a week, and this is the 4th video where I'm going to talk to you guys about my top 3 face masks under rupees 1000. Yes, you heard it right, under rupees 1000. So now under rupees 1000 does not mean that these products are cheap and do not work. These are very good products, guys. I use it, so you can trust me on that. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Every skincare step is important, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do take a moment and go watch them. I have shared every detailed information about cleansers, toners, scrubs, and for whom these videos are gonna be beneficial and who all should avoid this video. I'm not gonna repeat all of those in this video again, so please go check that out. I'll provide the link below. So the first product I'm gonna talk to you about is the M Caffeine Coffee Face Mask. It is the naked and raw coffee face mask. I love this range. I have used this range face wash, which is like okay, not too good, but I used the scrub, which I also recommended to you guys, which is like a really great, and this one is my favorite among all of these items. Like all the items from this individual range, this mask is my favorite. It smells so good, guys. I have used so much. I'll just show it to you. Just look at it. I have used so much, and this is not my first tub. I have used 2 tubs like before this one. It smells like chocolate mousse. Like seriously, guys, I feel like eating it, and it does so well to your skin. And one unique thing about this product is it has small beads, like small granulas. So when you apply it on your skin, and while you are removing it, you will remove it while scrubbing it. I don't know if I can make you understand or not, or you're getting me or not. I mean to say that this face mask has few छोटे beads जो इसमें ही रहते हैं, obviously. So you will just apply it, and while you are washing it off, you will wash like in a circular motion, scrubbing your face. So why scrubbing? Because it has beads which helps in scrubbing, and it has such a cooling sensation on your skin, guys, and it will brighten up your skin so well. I tell you, it's not like lightening product. If you're somebody who is searching products to lighten your skin tone, or be 1 or 2 skin tone lighter, then this is not the video for you. There's a difference between lightening and brightening. So this will add glow and brighten up your skin instantly. I love this product, and it is for normal to oily skin. Again, it is a 100-gram product, and it retails for 575 rupees, जो कि आपको लगभग 520-50 और मे बी लेस देन में मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि ऑफर्स चलते रहते हैं. नाउ दिस इज अ ह्यूज क्वांटिटी, गाइज. ये मैंने खरीदा था 3-4 महीने पहले. मेरा 4 महीने तक ये चल रहा है. Like trust me on that, because you do not need to use a face mask every single day, right? I have too many face masks, and I do not use a single face mask every single week. I use it depending on my skin concern or my mood. But using a face mask max to max twice in a week, and with this much of quantity is like too good for the price. So yeah, this is my first recommendation. You can definitely give this a try, like definitely. So the next one which I'm gonna show it to you is the Mamaearth C3 face mask. Now this is one of my favorite face masks. Now some of the days, if I feel that my face is really itchy, I might get pimples, or even I have pimple, if I have to use some mask, I'll use this one. I don't know if it suits you or not. Suits others or not, but it suits me so well. Even I have heard many other YouTubers talking about this and giving all positive reviews, as in not sponsored videos, guys. Those are like non-sponsored videos, and they are like sharing their skincare routine, and they include this and that. This is a very good. I have tried it on my skin. It is enriched with charcoal, coffee, and clay for healthy and glowing skin. And it is paraben and silicone free. hypoallergenic with bioactives. It retails for 599 rupees, which is 600 rupees. It's slightly on the pricier side, but because you see it is huge and it's not like the packaging is too huge and the product is less. I'll show it. Wait. Like, see, it's so dirty. I have used it so much. Wait a minute. Just look. Guys, idhar se, like, ekdam top se itne tak, it is like full. And it is like I'm using it for like past 2 months. I got this new packet for 2 months ago approx. And ये फेस मास्क बहुत लंबा चल जाता है गाइज. It has a quantity of 100 ml, net volume of 100 ml, which is quite a lot. Most of them are 100 ml, and yeah, quantity is like same, but I feel that it is slightly more quantity. I don't know, I feel so because it's such a huge tub, but it does a great job, guys. If you're having an acne prone skin, even if you're having active acne, you should give this a try. Even if you're having active acne, I won't suggest you to go for the M Caffeine coffee face mask because it has granulas, little granulas, so you will have to scrub it while removing. So I don't suggest scrubbing anything on your face when you're having active acne. So in that case, you can use this one. So lastly, my last recommendation for you guys would be this one. This is the Prolexa डिटॉक्सीफाइंग सी एल की फेस मास्क. नाउ मुझे ये PR में मिला था, एंड सिंस देन आई एम इन लव विद दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई हैवंट इवन बॉट एनी अदर टब. लाइक यही मेरा चल रहा है सिंस देन. मुझे ये PR में मतलब 3 महीने पहले मुझे ये मिला था, लाइक अप्रॉक्स. तब से मैं इसको यूज कर रही हूँ, एंड इट इज अ 50 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट. And it is going on very good, and it is very good for your skin. It is a detoxifying mask. Mostly it is good for oily skin people, but combination skin people can also use it. Dry skin ones can also use it, but dry skin के लिए ये मतलब important नहीं है. But मैं combination skin से belong करती हूँ. मेरे like sometimes I'm oily, sometimes I'm non-oily, sometimes this side is oily and others are dry. But this works anyway or the other. It works, and it dries off really very quickly. It is pink in color. It smells very good, like a very cute, वो पिंक वाले मेडिसिन होते हैं ना, पता नहीं मैं कैसे समझाऊँ, बट या क्यूट स्मेल है इसकी. लाइक यू कैन सी हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड इट. वेरी 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 नाइस. इट विल जस्ट सक अवे द एक्सेस ऑयल. मतलब आपके स्किन का मॉइस्चर ये नहीं खोने देगा, लेकिन आपका जो एक्सेस सीबम है, जो एक्सेस ऑयल है, इट विल सक अवे दोस and detoxify your skin. It has a lot of ingredients. Now few ingredients I want to mention. It is vitamin C, niacinamide, and charcoal, tea tree oil. So these few ingredients are very very important for treating your acne, and then fading away acne marks, scars, which is the niacinamide is very good in that case. So yeah, this is my last recommendation from the face mask, and this is the costliest one from all the 3 of them. It retails for 999 rupees, and इसका off भी ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. like 50 rupees off मिल जाएगा अगर आप कहीं से भी शॉप कर रहे हो. नायका में भी मिल जाता है. I'll provide the link down below, but you can invest this much on your skin if you want to, but I won't force you for buying anything. I have given you 3 options. आप अपना रिसर्च खुद कीजिए. See which fits your budget. Do your own research and get yourself one, and do comment down below which one you liked and which one you are thinking to get. So guys, that is it about the video. I have shared my top 3 face masks under rupees 1000. I hope you guys like this video. Do wait for my next videos, which will be uploaded tomorrow itself. So the next video would be on serums. Serum. And I won't just talk about serum, because I'll also be talking about sheet masks, because sheet masks are enriched with serums. Sheet mask has more serum which we generally use, because आप एक sheet mask use करोगे, वो उसका जो serum है, that is for like 3 to 4 days. So yeah, I'll just mix both of them, and I'll just recommend you my top 3 serum / sheet mask. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified.